Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with an Apple gift card on Brawl Stars. So let's get right into it. So first, go to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Once you select it, enter your 16-digit code from the Apple gift card and tap Redeem. This will add the balance to your Apple ID. Next, open the Brawl Stars app on your device. Head to the shop section and choose the gem, pack, or item you want to buy. At the checkout, select Apple ID as your payment method. If prompted, confirm the purchase using your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. And that's it. The gems will be added to your account and the amount will be deducted from your Apple ID balance. Hope this helped. Thank you.